Hey everyone, and welcome to the MonoVM YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress websites and making things super easy with Softaculous. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of installing WordPress so you can have your website up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. Here on our cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the Software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Now, on the Softaculous homepage, find WordPress and hover over it. Click the Install button. On this new page, click Install Now to begin the setup process. First, we need to choose where you want to install WordPress. In the Choose Installation URL section, select the web address where your website will be. If you want to install WordPress within a subfolder, like WP, enter that name in the In Directory field. Otherwise, leave it blank. Now, under Site Settings, give your website a catchy site name and a brief site description. Next, create a secure admin account. For better security, choose a strong username, something other than the default admin. Create a strong password, or use the handy Generate Password button. You can also set your admin email address here. Let's personalize your WordPress experience. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Under Select Plugins, you can choose any pre-installed plugins you might need. In the Advanced Options section, you can tweak some settings, like changing the database name or the table prefix for developers. Check the Auto Upgrade WordPress Themes box for automatic theme updates. Now, let's set up backups. We recommend automated backups set to once a week for optimal protection. In Backup Rotation, the system will automatically delete older backups when the limit is reached. Finally, it's theme time. Choose a theme for your website from the available options. We'll select the Sleek 2023 theme. You can even see a live preview before choosing. Click on Select Theme and confirm the image copyright pop-up. Click the big Install button. Sit back and relax while Softaculous installs WordPress on your domain. Once it's done, you'll see a congratulations message confirming WordPress installation. To edit your website content, you'll need to access the WordPress admin panel. Go to your website URL followed by /wp-admin, so it would look like www.yourdomain/wp-admin. Here you are. This is your WordPress admin dashboard. Everything you need to manage your website is accessible from the left sidebar. Click on Plugins to see the pre-installed plugins or add new ones. Clicking on Dashboard brings you back to the main page. We hope this post helped you to install WordPress in no time. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more.